How to cancel a processing transaction on your Bank of America account. Today we're going to be looking at if it is actually possible to cancel a processing transaction on your Bank of America account. Unfortunately, you cannot cancel processing transactions on your Bank of America account yourself. Only the merchant can cancel a processing transaction. A processing transaction is a transaction that has been authorised by your bank, but the money has not yet been transferred from your account. Processing transactions can take a few days to clear depending on the merchant. If you need to cancel a processing transaction, you will need to contact the merchant directly. The merchant may be able to cancel the transaction if it has not yet been processed. However, if the transaction has already been processed, the merchant may not be able to cancel it. Here are some reasons on why a processing transaction might not go through. The merchant may have cancelled the order. The payment may have been declined by your bank, or there may be a problem with your bank account. If you're not sure why a processing transaction has not gone through, you can contact your bank for more information. And finally, here are some tips to avoid processing transactions. Make sure you have enough money in your account to cover the payment. Check with the merchant to make sure the order is still valid. And you want to review your bank statement regularly for any unauthorised charges. And that is how you can cancel a processing transaction with Bank of America. If you found this video helpful, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.